Everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come on here to do a BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of April with you guys. I believe it's like about $25 a month. It will get over $100 worth of products every month. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. And this right here just tells you about the products and about how much is the retail value of each one of them. And the description, of course, of each. So this is what my April BOXYCHARM looks like. So this month came with lashes. And they're from Baddington. Let's go ahead and open them, see what they look like inside. Ooh, I like these. And it also comes with a little glue. And these have a retail value of $31. It also came with the Pore Professional by Benefit. This is a hydrating primer. And that one has a retail value of $32. $32. And it's a pretty good size. It also came with Dose of Colors, I believe that's how you say it. So it's Dose of Colors lipstick. And for me, it came in the color of Mochi. And that has a retail value of $17. It also came with beauty blenders from Hank and Henry, and the retail value on these is $20. Okay. And what I love about this subscription is that you actually get a palette in every month's box. And also, I believe like every other month, or every other box, I've also noticed that you do get also some kind of set of brushes, and I love that. And this has a retail value of, and it's by Zoeva. Not sure, once again, if I'm saying that correctly. And it has a retail value of $28. Oh, I love these. This is what it looks like from the inside. Mostly neutral colors, which I love. I'm into more neutral colors. Love it. With every box, you get a total of 5 products. And what I love about this box is that most of the time is full-size products that you get. You hardly ever get samples with this subscription. So here you go. I really love it. I actually have built a pretty good makeup collection with this subscription alone. So if you're all interested, once again, you do pay about $25 a month, I believe, for the subscription. You do get, in every box, you do get over $100 worth of product. Like I said, once again, everything you get is going to be full size. It's hardly ever going to be sample sizes. And you do, once again, in fact, get curling irons and flat irons. I've already received the flat iron, which was like a little travel size one. But I mean, for the subscription, it's totally fine for me, you know. I did not too long ago also receive the curling iron by Sutra Beauty, which I haven't tried yet, but I will eventually. So I mean, this subscription is totally worth it. If you have been thinking about getting it, if you have been doubtful about it, I mean, it's totally worth it, honestly. I love it. I just feel it's totally worth it. So, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. For more videos, please like and subscribe. And thank you all for watching. And until next time, bye.